Welcome to NASA's captivating universe of exploration and discovery. From the boundless reaches of space to the intricate wonders of our own planet, join us on a journey beyond imagination. Witness groundbreaking missions, delve into cutting-edge research, and explore the mysteries of the cosmos alongside our brilliant minds and innovative technology. Get ready to embark on a cosmic adventure that will leave you awe-inspired and enlightened. This is NASA, where the universe unfolds before your eyes. Since the dawn of our existence, humanity has gazed upon the night sky with awe and curiosity. Today, thanks to technological advancements and NASA's unwavering dedication, we are bestowed with a unique opportunity to explore the vast cosmos in breathtaking detail through NASA's ultra-high-definition, Ultra HD video gallery. In this article, we embark on a cosmic journey of discovery where every pixel tells a riveting story, and every frame draws us closer to the stars. The first leg of our journey takes us to the heart of the technology that makes this unparalleled visual experience possible. Ultra-high-definition, Ultra HD, allows us to see every lunar crater, solar eruption, and distant galaxy as if we were there. We delve into the challenges NASA faces in capturing and transmitting these incredible videos, immersing ourselves in a universe of pixels and code that result in images so lifelike, it's as if we're one step away from the stars. Get ready for an unmatched exploration of cosmic treasures housed within NASA's Ultra HD video gallery. From dancing auroras to fierce solar storms, each video transports us to fleeting and spectacular moments in space. We delve deeper into specific events such as planetary orbits, solar flares, and atmospheric phenomena, unraveling the mysteries behind the scenes and marveling at the grandeur of the universe. The cosmic journey is not merely a stunning visual quest, but also a transformative educational voyage. We discover how NASA's Ultra HD video gallery has become a powerful educational tool, enriching science classrooms, inspiring young curious minds, and igniting a desire to explore the wonders of space. Each video is a learning opportunity, each scene a lesson on the mysteries of physics, astronomy, and our own existence. As the journey continues, our gaze turns to the distant wonders of deep space. In this chapter, we explore distant galaxies, expanding nebulas, and stars being born and dying in a cosmic spectacle of colors and movement. With the aid of Ultra HD technology, we travel through time and space, glimpsing events that occurred millions of light-years away. It's not just about science. NASA's Ultra HD video gallery also inspires us to dream and imagine. Each scene prompts us to reflect on our place in the universe, our unending quest for knowledge, and the boundless possibilities the cosmos offers. In this chapter, we explore how these videos transcend pure science, connecting us to the human spirit of exploration and curiosity. As we conclude our journey, we cast our gaze to the future cosmic horizon. We discuss innovations in visualization technology that could lead us into a new era of space exploration. With ongoing advancements in space cameras and transmission technologies, we wonder about the yet unknown wonders that NASA's Ultra HD video gallery will unveil in the future. Our cosmic journey comes to an end, but the impact of this visual exploration will linger on. NASA's Ultra HD video gallery reminds us of the immeasurable beauty of space and the incredible human capacity to capture and share it. As we wrap up this article, we invite you to explore the gallery for yourself, immersing in images that unveil the grandeur of the universe and reminding us that we are all connected through the stars. CTA, call to action, ready for a visual journey through the cosmos? Don't miss the chance to explore NASA's Ultra HD video gallery. Subscribe to our channel to connect with deep space and unravel the secrets of the universe. Chronicles solar activity from August 12 to December 22, 2022, as captured by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory, SDO. From its orbit in space around Earth, SDO has steadily imaged the Sun in 4K x 4K resolution for nearly 13 years. This information has enabled countless new discoveries about the workings of our closest star and how it influences the solar system. With a triad of instruments, SDO captures an image of the Sun every 0.75 seconds. The Atmospheric Imaging Assembly, AIA, instrument alone captures images every 12 seconds at 10 different wavelengths of light. This 133-day time-lapse showcases photos taken at a wavelength of 17.1 nanometers. Which is an extreme ultraviolet wavelength that shows the Sun's outermost atmospheric layer, the corona. Compiling images taken 108 seconds apart, the movie condenses 133 days, or about 4 months, of solar observations into 59 minutes. The video shows bright active regions passing across the face of the Sun as it rotates. The Sun rotates approximately once every 27 days. The loops extending above the bright regions are magnetic fields that have trapped hot, glowing plasma. These bright regions are also the source of solar flares, which appear as bright flashes as magnetic fields snap together in a process called magnetic reconnection. While SDO has kept an unblinking eye pointed toward the Sun, there have been a few moments it missed. Some of the dark frames in the video are caused by Earth or the Moon eclipsing SDO as they pass between the spacecraft and the Sun. Other blackouts are caused by instrumentation being down or data errors. SDO transmits 1.4 terabytes of data to the ground every day. The images where the Sun is off-center were observed when SDO was calibrating its instruments. SDO and other NASA missions will continue to watch our Sun in the years to come, providing further insights about our place in space and information to keep our astronauts and assets safe. The music is a continuous mix from Lars Leonard's Geometric Shapes album, courtesy of the artist. Credit, NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center Scott Wiesinger, PAO lead producer Tom Bridgman, SVS lead visualizer Scott Wiesinger, PAO editor. This video can be freely shared and downloaded at https://svs.gsfc.nasa.gov/14263. While the video in its entirety can be shared without permission, the music and some individual imagery may have been obtained through permission and may not be excised or remixed in other products. Specific details on such imagery may be found here.
Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff of Space Shuttle Atlantis, a final visit to enhance the vision of Hubble into the deepest grandeur of our universe.
Bypass across the board, Scooter, no action.
Houston now controlling, Atlantis on its way. Atlantis on its way, all three engines now throttling down as the vehicle passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure.
Atlantis, Houston, no action on the MPS H2 out P.
Eita menino, esse beat que o Matheus me mandou, viu? Tá rocheda. Eita menino, esse beat que o Matheus me mandou, viu? Eita menino, esse beat que o Matheus me mandou, viu? mandou, viu?